Membean is a powerful tool designed to help work on vocabulary. This can be done by students individually, but is monitored from a dashboard by teachers. Teachers can send an invite using a code or by putting student emails on a list and then sending it out to everyone. Students then receive this where they can get started. They log into the app, you can do this via a web browser, and they're given a little test of various words, whether they know them or not, and that can kind of give an assessment level of where they're at in terms of vocabulary. And then they can begin working through vocab, and that can be towards specific testing styles if needed, or more general approach. And they've used cognitive science to research how best to work through vocabulary with students. And as a result, there are 9 different styles that are used, and that's from a basic definition to a word cloud. There's videos. There's interaction where they'll hear the word, they'll pronounce the word, they'll read the word. So there's all different layers to this single word that allows the brain to learn it in lots of different contexts and use it in different contexts so that the student is left with that kind of ingrained afterwards. So there's not a great deal of effort to sort of memorize anything because it's just kind of happens naturally by going through these various styles. And usefully, teachers can monitor that. They can see how students are progressing. They can see quite a lot of detail in terms of how they're interacting with each word. They can even see sort of how long they spent on that. For example, if like a student is multitasking, and you can clearly see that from the way they've interacted, the student that will come up. And there's even highlights in red in the teacher dashboard, so they can see if a student's struggling. It'll jump out, and they'll know if they need to give them any help. Yeah, really useful, and there's a free trial for this, so it's worth giving it a try.